bird dance next. Now, what is a bird dance, Harold?
Well, it was developed in...
Is this German? Now, are you sure this is German?
This was developed in Oktoberfest in Germany.
Yeah.
And the music plays a certain tune, and then the whole audience where I work, they do this dance. Would you like to try it with me?
Oh, sure. Would anybody else like...
Bill?
Come on, Darryl. Hi, Darryl. How are you? You're Darryl. What's your last name, Darryl?
Darryl Thompson.
Darryl Thompson. And what part do you do with Harold here?
I'm playing clarinet.
You play clarinet. Okay. And Bill, you're going to be playing the Kurzwald. Okay. And this is Phyllis. Hello, Phyllis.
Hello.
It's nice to have you with us.
Nice to be
Have
here.
you done this dance before, Phyllis?
Many times.
Many times. Is it embarrassing or is it tricky or?
The first time.
Okay, everybody, stand up. I am not going to be in this thing alone. It's bird dance time. Now, come on, you guys are all up here. Now, you gotta really go with this now. Do you want to come up with me? Come on, oh, sure. Come and bird dance with me. Oh, you can bird dance. Come on. Come on, sure, come on. Let's choose a couple more. Choose a couple more. There we go. Okay, here we are. Okay, okay. All right. Oh,
right.
This ought to be fun.
Are we ready?
What do we do, Harold?
You just
Where's the music, Harold?
Just follow and do what I do.
I'll do what he does. Come
Just
on,
follow
let's
everybody
get up
do
here
it.
so we can, come on, everybody.
Oh, wait a minute.
We get in a
Let's
line
get
up
the
here.
audience to do it.
Come on, audience. Stand up. It's bird dance time. You never know what's going to happen around here. Now, this may be good for your breathing or something. All right, we're going to, okay, just follow us. Yeah.
Come over here.
Okay, come on, Roberta and Walter. Now, get up here. You can't hide back there.
We need one more partner.
Come on. Come on, Betty. Come on, Betty. Betty has...
Come on, Betty.
Oh, here's another Jonathan. Will be a good bird dancer. Okay, here comes Betty. Come on, Betty. You get in here. If Mom says it, you got to do it. Okay, we're ready, Harold. We're ready.
Ready? Go, guys. That was terrific.